Hi everyone, welcome to this tutorial. Today I'll show you how to license ArcGIS Pro using an Esri authorization file. So by the end of this tutorial, you will know exactly how to activate your ArcGIS Pro license and start using the software. If you are a part of the University of Ibadan, you can obtain an Esri authorization file by registering with the University of Ibadan ArcGIS community. So after registering, you will receive an authorization file just like the one I have right on my screen. So these allow you to activate your ArcGIS Pro. Once you have the file ready, you can just come down to download the file. Click on download. Then you have the file downloaded on your system. From here, you can proceed to the sign-in page to authorize your ArcGIS Pro software. The next thing is to license your ArcGIS Pro software using the authorization file downloaded earlier. Once you launch your ArcGIS Pro, on the startup page, ensure you are signed in. Come to Settings tab on the left corner here. Click License. Click Configure your licensing option. Under the license type, ensure that single-use license type is checked. Click Authorize. Then check I have received an authorization file and I'm now ready to finish the authorization process. Then browse to locate the file you downloaded earlier. Mine was downloaded on Downloads. If yours is on desktop, you can click to locate it. If I have my on Downloads, then I can click it, then open. Click on Next. Check Authorize with Esri now using the internet. Ensure you are connected to use this option. Click on Next. Confirm your details here if it is correct. If not, you can make necessary changes before you proceed. Click on Next. Pick your organization category. I'm going to be picking education staff, faculty, or education student. Under industry, I'm going to look for GIS services. Yourself, I'm going to look for GIS analyst. Click on Next. Then it will populate your ArcGIS Desktop Advanced Single-Use License ID, which is this. Click on Next. If you don't want to authorize further extension, you can pick this option, then click on Next. We have this all requested features have already been authorized on this machine because I have initially authorized my ArcGIS Pro. At your own end, it will display a success message. Then you click OK and finish. At the end of this process, you will see your ArcGIS Pro single-use license displayed here with the expiring date and the extensions that have been activated. And there you have it. In just few steps, you have successfully licensed ArcGIS Pro using your Esri authorization file. Now you can start working on your GIS project without any interruptions. If you are affiliated with the university, remember you can always renew your license by contacting the University of Ibadan ArcGIS community if needed. If you find this tutorial helpful, please give a thumbs up, subscribe for more GIS tutorial, and let us know if you have any questions in the comments section below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.